you already heard the subject matter. I just want to say that non-vegetarian food is injurious to health because already couple of years ago, Mr. Chaki means Somo Chaki was our classmate, and now he is posted in Bangalore doing job, and he is living in my vicinity, and I have close contact with him. He just described it to me that over consuming chicken means he is a gym pack guy, and to develop muscle, he used to have the chicken each and every day, means twice a day or thrice a day. And because of this reason, he has been suffering from some heart disease. And in Bangalore CMC, he went there, and some doctors told him that not to have chicken. Means if you once, then once in a month or twice in a month, because of means over consuming chicken, means to build up his muscle, he consumed over chicken, and it actually means increase his creatinine level, and because of this reason he has been suffering from some cardiac related diseases, and now
because of overconsumption.
Not only overconsumption, actually
You are using that. That's why I'm reminding you. You are saying that because of overconsumption.
actually he
You
is
are giving a handle to your adversary by using the word over.
actually he consumes thrice a day, means he used to fond of chicken and means non-vegetarian food, and because of this reason he got those type of diseases, and that's why doctor told him to not to consume those things. Okay, and actually I just want to explain or expound the thing that is means nowadays for producing more, the producer injecting some means antibiotic and some medicines to those things, means the chicken, fish, even in meat, in red meat also, and those medicines are really injurious to health. Means in every discussion, some opponent teammates describe it that in ancient era the people used to consume red meats and non-vegetarian food, but the era is changing, means the scenario is changing day by day, and nowadays for excessive profit, the producer are injecting those medicine, and those things are really injurious to health, and that's why I just said to the people not to consume non-vegetarian things, come to the vegetarian things. Means if you compare with some 100 gram of red meat and 100 gram of soya protein, means if you will get 36 grams of protein from soybean, and you will get 28 gram protein from red meat, means that you have to keep it in mind. You have to think it that you are getting more protein from vegetarian sources. That is I want to say you, means whenever we are getting more protein from vegetarian item, then why we in this means diluting era, means which will injurious to our health, we will consume non-vegetarian food. In my opinion, we should give up those non-vegetarian things to survive healthy. Means nowadays our lifespan is decreasing day by day because of consuming those non-vegetarian things and fast foods. And if we want to live healthier, then we have to give up those things, because after consuming those non-vegetarian things, our lipid profile, our means heart diseases are increasing day by day. 2 years ago I went Mumbai Tata, and with my sister-in-law for heart treatment purpose, I just went with her to accompany her. There the doctors of Mumbai Tata described it that the people who are consuming non-vegetarian items, they have been suffering from those diseases greater than the person who are consuming vegetarian items. Means the people from West Bengal and Assam have been suffering from cancer and heart related disease more than the vegetarian person. That's all to me.
I would like to start the opinion against my opponent speaker, as he has said that a person whenever started consuming something too much, whether that is the vegetarian, whether that is the non-vegetarian, first thing is that the capacity of a eater required to see how much he can consume. Second, more than the capacity required, how much the eater can digest. At that particular point in time, if the person eats more, then there will be no problem. Why? Just because he has that particular capacity to digest the food. Now the question is that how many people we all are going to have the food huge in amount, and how many of us we are going to put ourselves in the hard work, so-called the ourselves in the physical workout. None. So for that reason, nowadays most of us we call by the word called.
But if Govind, you have to say heat to me.
Now the
When I sound that heat, that
question is that whenever a person is going to stop eating, so he or she has the right. There is no right a person has to put the stop someone's food habit. Isn't it? You may have, you may not have, that is absolutely your right.
actually, you have got my point. What I wanted to expound you. What I explained to make you
You have
out.
the right to do whatever you like, but you know right.
I just told you that if you want to live
just because
a long life, you have to give up your vegetarian item.
following something until unless by law and order he is not stopped, he is not gonna stop himself. Why? Just because he has every right. Now the question is the food habit, what is the actual thing is. If my question goes to my opponent speakers that if we stop totally, if it is totally banned, so what about the minority of the generation after generation, the increases of the animals? What about that? Now do you think so this human civilization will be alive? Do you think so? Now the ferocious animals like whenever in your locality, if you see a number of cattle,
Do you think that a goat can eat you?
definitely not, but
Then
who
why? Which way
Who will occupy your space?
it will harm to you?
I didn't-
If you are saying that the number of cattle will increase and it will hamper your life, how which way it will hamper your life?
just because the residents will be captured by them. So do you think
It will come to your home and maintain your home and
Maybe-
just sleep on your bed.
For
Do you
that-
think you are afraid of it?
if you want to take that particular example, so
They will just live in jungle. They will not come into your home.
where they are,
They will not enter in your home.
you will get exactly the answer what you are looking for. Just because over here standing and talking is not the question. The reality you need to feel. The reality what says.
Actually, you are living in a fool's paradise. That's why you are thinking
I'm
that kind of
exactly
thing.
in the reality. That's why I'm going to talk. I'm not going to talk like you are bonker. The fact is the reality of the reality you need to understand.
You are actually dreaming a dream.
No, that's why I'm not about dreaming a dream.
No.
The fact is
Then
that
why
there is a
this
particular
number of adults will use you? In which way it will harm you?
I'm explaining. Let me
Okay, take time and explain.
Now the question is there are certain portion in this sports sector they are asked to take certain non-vegetarian dishes. Otherwise their muscles will not build. Second thing is that their physical.
I told you that
everything.
I told you that Swachant will have protein more than red meat.
So
It's
now-
30 grams of protein there.
So now do you think so? Those who
It
are
will also increase your muscle.
okay for the timing, I'm accepting whatever you have said is required.
Okay.
It is very good. Now the question is that do you think that they are the absolutely means come a guards the dietitians whenever they are going to give the diet chart and they are including some non-vegetarian dishes. So do you think they are absolutely good for nothing and they are prescribing the diet chart for the sports sectors in the sportsman or woman? Do you think that they are absolutely nonsense?
Do you think
What I
that
think is not
from
the
South India,
What I think is not
coming?
the past try to answer.
No.
Do you think
Yes.
that a diet chart or
Really fast. From South India, sportsmen are not coming. Only from West India.
Sir, my opponent speaker is going to try to defer the question.
No, I'm not deferring.
First try to
I am not.
answer my question.
Diverting you from my question. I am just asking. You have to listen to me. No. You have to listen to me.
Is that all possible?
Do you think that from South South India, postmen are not coming.
Everywhere, all over the world,
They are vegetarian. They are
all over
vegetarian.
the world, all over the India. So you didn't listen to my question. I didn't deny that there is.
I am carefully listening to you.
Then why you are trying to allow me to explain once again? If you are all your ears, then why you are not able to understand?
No, debate here. I am enabled 100% active.
The fact is that then why you are unable to understand there are certain portions where
Because it's not right to interact. It is not there.
if illogically if you start to raise the
No, I am not illogically interrupt you.
do you think that
Logically interrupting
do you
you.
think that is illogical?
Yes, logic are there.
How?
You don't want to understand the logic.
Oh my goodness, now I am unable to
It's not
understand.
there that you are not getting.
You're talking about the meats, right? So they also tell to, sorry. Well, you tell about the nutritionist who prescribes, who suggests the sportsman to have chicken or mutton, whatever means meat, a portion of meat. You can just take it. You can just keep that one after taking by taking that soybeans, and there's a lot of things are there that will give you the same amount of protein or amenities that you will get. It's not necessary to kill an animal for your benefit. It's not at all good for them. If you're talking about humanity, means if you're supporting that cruelty is not, means if you're talking about that you're supporting that eating chicken or mutton, it's all right. Then why are you going when the all festives are going on of sacrificing goats and cows? You are protesting there. No, it's cruelty. And after that, you are having that mutton. And you are saying, no, that's so delicious. Don't you think it's quite, like, it's not good? Yes, it's hypocrite. You know what? We are humans, and human is the single species on earth who can pleasure themselves the way they want it.
Last time, how many days before you have attended an invitation?
I
Last
don't
time,
remember.
approximately 6 months.
Maybe?
Okay, within 6 months, if you have attended an invitation, there were hardly means a few non-veg dishes.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy those dishes?
Yeah, that time maybe.
Oh, that time maybe.
Yeah.
Now there is a means a different term maybe. So now these are the questions. No, person is not the question. No,
Then
enjoy
I
is not the
question him,
Question is
how
that
many
I'm going to
hours
give. I'm going to give this statement on the question is that in each and every family, the parents or the grown-up people, they help a child for the nutrition purpose an egg every day. Why it is necessary? Second thing, why the people in a family they try to feed the fresh fishes. Fishes, I will fish. Why? Just because there is a nutrition. So now they immediately stop. They can prescribe. My opponent speaker, those they are telling that the soya seeds, the means a Nutrela. They can, but there is a certain reason for which they are going to tell. Even sometimes the doc also prescribes certain means cases. The child or even the adult people also should take an egg every day. So if they are no reason, so the doctor should not prescribe.
So if he is taking that meat and all to just feeding those kids, then when that kid's born, then why the there's food, the baby food are prescribed for the kid? Why not the fishes, fresh fishes and meats? Fish and meat. It's you are talking about to giving that if someone is a vegetarian, that they are not getting that much calories and
Neonate can't take meat.
sorry sir?
And neonate it can't take meat.
Yes.
So of course the neonate needs baby.
Yeah. So
You are asking this. You are asking where the office deciding fish or meat for a neonate. The neonate has to of course depend on very
Sure.
the breast milk of the mother is not enough.
Sir, after 6 months, the baby, the rice ceremony happens, celebrated. So then from then, those who eats fish and meat, especially fish, that time, they, their uncles are giving the rice and all of this, just for the taste that you can start eating.
That is a ritual. And the latest update I'm going to tell you, just
Not
because
now, I don't know.
there
You
are
know.
certain reasons now, just because the lifestyle of the human being became something like a rat race. So for that reason, nobody has the time to give the proper time for a child. First thing. Second thing,
That's
that
why
in the
you are
market,
just
in the
giving
market, there are
meat
certain
and all.
nutrition for the baby food, like there are certain things for which, as the families are the nuclear, there is none is there to look after for the child. So for that reason, they have started giving those baby foods. Even if I'm not wrong, a mother is asked to feed the breast milk to a child minimum 5 years. But at present, there is not a single mother who is going to feed the breast milk to the child even 2 years. Within 1.5 years, they have started consuming, and they are asked to consume the baby food which is available in the market, which we after all found whenever the baby has turned into 5 years of age or 10 years of age, there are certain problems. First problem is that they cannot adjust with the weather. That's why they directly catch a cold if the temperature is just opposite, fluctuating, or if seasonal changes whenever the child is in the environment at that time. Second thing, they do not have the strength. They do not stand for a long time. They do not have the physical strength to do certain tasks. So these are the effects for this. So for that reason, those families are the sensible family members. They have started feeding them the natural, the veg, non-veg both. Why? Because there are certain more than vitamins, certain important things which is available, so called the vitamin in the food items. So in that case, how is possible to prevent those children?
Sir, if I talk about the vegetables would not affect anyone. Like, it will give you the benefits only, it will give you mileage. But if I consume or anyone consume only meats for all time, or it can be fish as well. So it will harm you. My my team members already stated that the heart attacks and cholesterols are there. There's a lot of problems. The fat will
But
increase.
sir, nobody has mentioned that every day a person should eat the meat.
Every day or it's in a
As you are said, you are telling.
I'm talking steadily.
Even out of 7 days, if a person eats 4 days consecutively, his tongue will not permit him to take on the 5th day the non-veg item. So for that reason, in a week, minimum 3 days a person can take, 2 days a person can take the non-veg
But
item.
it will harm you. It will harm you.
How is possible if the person
It
is
will
going
harm
to
you. I mean, that's
physical
animal.
workout? If a person is not going to work out physically,
You are talking about the rat race.
Sorry?
If you burn the
Yes, so there is a no problem.
If-
There is a no
Please
problem. That's
tell
what
me
I
about that.
have already said. On the said I have already said.
How you
Now,
find information, Mr. Rao? Muslim counterpart part of our society, they are having, they are to titillate their tongue. They used to have beef each and every day. Without beef, means the food will not enter from their.
that is
they will
not my
swallow the
business.
food.
What a person is eating, what a person is getting the titillate from, that is none of my business. My business is that what I like to enjoy in the appetite.
Rima,
Okay, so first of all, the subject matter is non-vegetarianism should be banned. Nobody talked about that. Everyone just fought over vegetarianism and non-vegetarianism. I accept every point they are talking about. Like, if you eat, if you overeat meat, you can have cardiac arrest. You can have cholesterol. You can have this, that, a lot of diseases. You can be ill. Accepted. Eating meat and killing animals are cruelty. We should not do it. Accepted. Everything is accepted. But there is a thin line in between. The thing is, killing someone or maybe killing someone is not right in our constitution, or it's not legal. If we kill someone, we can be punished, or we do get the punishment. So if we now have a law. We published a law where non-vegetarianism should be banned. That is not going to help the world. Because I am accepting that we should not have animals, we should not have fish, we should not have meat, we should not have anything. I accept. But the point is, what if we need it? No, let's not talk about what we want. We want something for like our taste buds, we can ignore. What if we need someone? Maybe talk about a woman who needs iron, who needs that because of her health issues. Most of the women in our world, they have like the deficiency of hemoglobin. They need iron. What if they need it? We need to get it from like meat. We need to get it from fish. We need to get it. They are not talking about that. I accept. Don't eat meat. Don't eat fish. But don't eat. You cannot ban it. Because from the moment you ban it, that is a sin.
So for your kind information, yes, it's there. It can instantly increase your iron level.
I think I was not talking when you were talking. So I think let me just finish. Then you will talk. I will accept. I have already accepted your point. So no arguments. Chill. So the point is, from the moment it gets banned, that is like maybe I need something. I need like omega-3. I need fish oil, and I am having it. I am committing a crime. That is the point. We are committing a crime. Why? Because we need it. The thing is, let's take an example. A girl has been raped and she has been killed by the monsters, and her mother has killed the rapists. Right? She has done nothing wrong. Still she goes to the jail. Right? That is the flaw of that law, that killing someone will give you punishment. The same case. We do not eat meat, we do not eat fish, we do not eat anything that harm animals to satisfy our taste buds. But we need it. We need it when we are sick. We need it when we have deficiency. You talk about vitamin B12. You cannot get it from plant sources.
Yes, you can get, ma'am.
Yeah.
From buttermilk, from almond milk, from curd, you can get those things. From mushroom, you can get vitamin B12.
I told plant sources, so milk doesn't come under plant sources. Second, I was talking about fish oil.
You can get from mushroom, vitamin B12 you can get.
About fish oil, right? Fish oil also can be like we can get it from plant sources, right? But that comes in a different form. APA has to be converted in our body to EPA, and the ratio is 5 to 15%. That is not enough. If I need something, maybe someone is fighting a serious disease, he or she is ill. They don't need, like they cannot wait a plant-based thing to work, and then they will get it, and then they will recover, and then they will be okay. They will like cure it. They need instant things. They need instant sources, right?
For instant treatment, injection is there. It will immediately act.
Okay, so the thing is, we do not take what our body needs. It gets sick, take tablets. Is it?
Yes.
It is right. After a few months, we will not be there in the world. Continue taking it. Continue doing it. What we can get like naturally. Why will we take supplements? Why will we take tablets when we can prevent things? Why will
When you are saying about natural
when we can prevent something? Why will we have the sickness then cure it? Prevent it. Yeah, prevent it. Don't even let it happen. They are talking about injections. Don't let that day come when you will have to take
No,
injections.
you are saying about natural things, those
Yeah.
things are diluted. Means all those things are medically injected.
Which things?
Fish, meat, chicken, all those things.
Okay, so you think fertilizers are not in a thing? We don't use
Biofertilizer are there.
Okay, so you think that you use fertilizer?
Biofertilizer, I told. I uttered.
Whatever fertilizer. Okay, right. You cultivate like plants. You eat it. Like now we have like 8 billion people on this earth. Let everyone start having plants. Is it enough? Can we plant those number of plants? Is like can we have that resource? And let's talk about food chain. That food chain is like should be balanced. Like it is there to balance our environment, our ecosystem, our world. That is the flow of energy. We plant eats plants are eaten by like insects.
Yes.
Insects are eaten by like
you understand that.
wait, I'm not done.
Okay,
Animals
fine.
and then we eat animals. Okay, if that is wrong, why is it even there in the science? There should be some points, some logical points, because science is logic, right? And I am not even talking about now we'll have meat every day, each and every day. No. Let's not have food. I am enough, like my health is enough. I have enough nutrition. I will not take it because that can increase like my blood pressure. I can have cardiac arrest and all. But what if I need it? If I need it, I will have it. That's it. End of discussion.
If you need to have fish or meat, you need to prepare it, right? You need to. So if the table comes here, the plants are taken by any sort of insects, and then after the chain comes,
We have to cook.
May I?
You have to make. You have to make meat. You don't have to.
We have to cook. Just listen. We have to cook.
Yeah.
To grow them up, to grow those animals up, we have to just give them plants and water and land, to leave them land. To brought them up, we need to prepare a lot of things. But if we want to eat plants, we have to cook. And if you're talking about just cooking that things, if we have gas and industries nowadays, but before we have to choose only branches and all things. We have to cut trees to burn that one.
All of them.
Yeah, that's the point.
We are doing that because what we need to eat that meat or fish. But if we are not doing that, we are not ruining we are not banjacks the forest and all. Those animals can stay there calmly. They can. If we are talking about their security and all, we are here for. If we are just talking about the justice to them, no, we are not talking. We are
about the justice of the animals.
We are not here to prove the cruelty, right? And you are taking just them and just cut them for your pleasure. That's not cruelty.
I have already proven the point that not for our pleasure or taste, but it's for a need. Okay, let me give an example. Maybe perhaps it was 1972 or something. One airplane got crashed. People survived, but in a place where it was cold, no food was there, not even a single plant. They became cannibals. Cannibalism was there. What we need, we find. Need is the utmost thing. What we want doesn't matter. What we need to survive. Survival instinct is the most important thing for each and every animal.
But that's a typical iceberg, right? That's a you are talking about.
No. If now. It happens that no plant is there, no other animals are there. We will start eating animals.